She's not even ready.
My name is Darwin Mitchell. I work with the diabetes program. Today is our second series of a whole month. We're just educating on diabetes prevention and fitness. So we are recommended to have physical activity about 150 minutes per week. So basically it's about 45 minutes per day. You can divide it up into portions like 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the afternoon, 20 minutes in the evening. So just recommend everybody to go out and do exercise, even in the winter time. Even now, there's no excuse to come out, but beautiful weather, beautiful scenery here in Sawmill. So encourage yourself, motivate yourself, exercise. Thank you.
My name is Erica Key. I work for the CHR program and I take care of Red Lake community. We're here at Sawmill for the Health Expo. We just got done doing our 2-mile walk. It was nice being out in fresh air. It was nice feeling the atmosphere, especially being out in nature. But I feel pretty good.